Do you know that there are applications that you can download on your phone and actually make money from these applications? This is a very awesome opportunity that I'm going to show you today. So all you need to do, watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you some methods where you can download apps, and these applications are going to provide you with money. Very easy to do, absolutely free. You don't have to spend any money to do this. There are no registration fees or anything like that. It's very simple to do. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. Africa, Australia, South America, Asia, Europe, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. So now, before I show you this method, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click that red button, subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Turn on all post notifications, click that bell so that anytime I have a new video, you are going to get a notification. So, the first application that I want to show you today is called Cash Karma, as you can see over here. Cash Karma. cashkarma.io. Now, Cash Karma is an application where you earn rewards by completing surveys and more. The only reward app that lets you earn rewards even if you don't qualify for the survey. Now, this means that no matter who you are, you can get access to these surveys and you're going to make money. So there are no requirements at all that you need to fill in order to make the money. It doesn't matter who you are, where you're coming from, you can just take surveys and actually make money. Now, when you install the app, you are going to get 300 points. Now, you must understand that when you deal with applications that deal with you making money, they first reward you with points. And then at the end of the day, you can convert those points to money. So the more surveys you take, the more points you get. And at the end of the day, you will see the accumulation of your points, and then you can decide to either convert it into money and then, withdraw your money, or you can just get something from Amazon or maybe iTunes or something that you desire online. It depends what you want. As you can see over here, redeem points. Redeem your points for PayPal Cash and Amazon.com gift cards. Gift card codes are loaded right on your device. So you can either just get the money directly into your PayPal account, which you can then withdraw and do whatever you want with the money if you just want cash. But if you have something you desire on Amazon, you can also get an Amazon gift card. So these are the two methods at which you can redeem your points. And this application is available on both the Play Store and the App Store, which I'll show you. Now, before that, you can also earn bonuses. When it says get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges, complete 5 offers, watch 25 videos, earn 8,000 points, etc. So you're not limited to just taking surveys in order to get points. You can actually watch videos as well to get points, and the more you watch, the more you are graded with a badge, and the higher your ranking with badges, the more money you make. It's as simple as that. As you can see over here, increase your reward level. Each time you earn an earnings badge, levels 1 to 4, you can earn up to 12.5% bonus each time you complete an offer. So in brief, it's just saying that the more surveys and the more videos and the more active you are on Cash Karma, the faster it will grade you up. So you'll quickly get upgraded and get badges, and the higher your badge, the more they consider you as a loyal user of Cash Karma, and the more points you are rewarded and the more money you can make. So if you have an Android phone, you can get the application on the Google Play. It's Cash Karma. As you can see, this is the logo right here. This is what you should be looking for if you are using an Android phone. As you can see, surveys, redeem your points, extra bonuses. So this is what you want to look for if you are using an Android phone. Now, if you're using an Apple device, you want to get this on the App Store. This is the logo right here, Cash Karma Surveys. So this is how it will be looking. This golden icon that you can see over here. Survey rewards, always be earning. Location rewards, earn prizes. So, and you can also get a prize on the PlayStation Store. If you have a PlayStation and you want something from the PlayStation Store, that's really awesome. Yes, it's a very awesome opportunity where you can actually just do things on this application and then get benefits on the Play Store, on the PlayStation Store. So if you're a fan of downloading games or whatever, demos or whatever, buying things on the PlayStation Store, you can get benefits from just using this application. Now, the second app I want to show you is called App Karma. On your computer, it's appkarma.io. Now, App Karma is a similar website. As you can see, when you get onto the App Karma website, you will see earn rewards playing with apps. It's free. Complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Available for iOS and Android. So, it's the same as the other one. If you install this, you're going to get an immediate 300 points. Now, the more you take surveys, you watch videos, the more points you get. So this is really awesome as well, because they can pay your money directly to your PayPal account, or you can redeem your points via maybe the iTunes Store, or on Amazon, on the PlayStation Store, depending on what you desire. And now, as you can see over here, referral rewards. Share your link or your referral code and earn 30% of what your referrals earn. This is very awesome because it's a way to make passive income, which means that if you want to refer your friends to App Karma, instead of them directly searching for App Karma, you want to give them your referral link. So when they click on your referral link, they're going to get onto App Karma, and when they sign up because of your referral link, every single thing they do on App Karma, you're going to get 30%. Every single amount that they make, you're going to get 30%. So if, for example, you refer your link to 10 people and maybe a month they make $500 or $1,000, you'll get 30% of that from each and every person that you have referred onto App Karma. So this is a great method to make some passive income whilst you're sleeping. The more your friends are actually using this application, the more you are making the money. As you can see, YouTubers, bloggers, and anyone interested in becoming an affiliate, join the VIP referral program. If you have a social media presence, YouTube, Instagram, etc., or blog site, we can help you make money. So they're basically trying to say that, hey, just refer your code to all your followers, your friends, because you're going to get a lot of money, because they want more people to get onto App Karma. They really want more and more people. So the more people you bring them, the more you're going to get money. It's very simple. So when we talk about achievement badges, once again, the more you use the app, the more you watch videos, the more they consider you as a loyal user of App Karma. Then you are going to be rewarded with a higher level. They give you badges, and the higher your badge, the more money you make. For example, if you first start using the app, you're going to get certain amounts of points for doing surveys and videos. But when you've used it several times and you've become a loyal user, you'll get much more points for doing the same things you used to do when you first started using the app. So it's basically, that's how it works. And just get this on the Play Store and the App Store. This is how it looks over here on the Play Store. It's a green logo. You will also find it on the App Store as well. It's this green logo. And yes, so now the third method I want to show you. On your computer, you want to put in getcashforapps.com. That is the URL, getcashforapps.com. Now you're going to get over here. Cash for Apps is the fastest way to get free gift cards and in-app purchases. So how does it work? You get free iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, and heaps of other gift cards for downloading new apps on your mobile device. So now, what is basically happening here is when you're on the Play Store or the App Store, you must realize that every time somebody downloads your application, it shows that, hey, my app has been downloaded so many times. So the more you download it, the more it gives people more trust in a certain application. For example, if your application has been downloaded 10 million times and you see that on the Play Store, people have more confidence on downloading that app because they believe that people have really downloaded this, so there must be something good about that. So get cash for apps basically means that people want people to download their apps just to boost that number on the apps to show that, hey, this has been downloaded 100,000 times or maybe 1,000,000 times. So the more you download apps, they are going to pay you for downloading those apps because they need more numbers on those apps. So you get paid for downloading apps. It's very brilliant. It's really awesome. And let me show you. When you're on the Play Store, cash for apps, this is the logo right here. For example, this app, this is a photo over here which shows that, hey, if you are going to download Spotify, they're going to give you this amount of points. If you download Expedia, you're going to get this amount of points. Game of War, you get this. Lyft, you get that. Then your points are going to be shown over here. So you can then convert your points to money, and you must understand that they don't need you to actually use the app. It doesn't matter if you download Spotify but you don't use it, or you download Expedia but you don't use it, because the moment you've downloaded it, it accumulates, it gives them a higher point, it gives them more points, which means that more people have downloaded the app. So for example, if they were on 999,999 downloads, if you download it and give them 1 million downloads, that's all they're looking for. They don't really need you to be using the app or anything like that. So that is what they're paying you for. So you just want to download it. It's called Cash for Apps. So those are the three methods I wanted to show you. The first one is Cash Karma. Cash Karma. This is the logo over here. The second one is App Karma. App Karma. The logo looks like this. And the third one is Cash for Apps. Cash for Apps. It's got a red logo over here. So this is Cash for Apps. So if you combine all these methods all together, you can make yourself a lot of money. This is something you can do at home. You can do this in the car just before you sleep. Just take some surveys, watch some videos, get more points. Something you can do every single day. If you do this every single day, you'll be surprised to see how many points you have at the end of the month. You can make yourself some $500, $1,000 just for literally doing very simple things. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, comment down below and just mention your questions, and like this video if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you can get a notification. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.